Not peace. Peace.
The old man.
Next, BX. You're so noisy.
The most beautiful heart. One day in a heavily crowded place, a young man was shouting at the crowd. Shouting at the crowd. People look at me. I have the most beautiful heart in the world. Many people look at him and were stunned to see the beautiful heart in a perfect shape. No little flaw which looked quite amazing. Most people who saw his heart was mesmerized by a beauty and praised him. However, there came an old man and challenged the young man. Man asked, "Show me your heart then." The old man showed his heart to him. It was very rough, uneven, and had scars all over. Also, the heart was not the shape of a heart. It prepared like beads, and marvelous colors were enjoyed together. There were some rough edges. It is some part of the heart filled with another piece. The heart of the old man simply looked at various pieces of the heart, joined together and formed into a heart. The young man started laughing at the old man's heart. "My dear old man, are you mad? Look at my heart. See how beautiful and flawless it is. You cannot find even a bit of imperfection in it. Look at yours. It is beautiful, full of stars, wonders, and blemishes. How can you say your heart looks beautiful? Dear boy, my heart is just as beautiful as your heart is. Do you see these scars? Each scar represents a love and share with a person. I share a piece of my heart. With others, when I share love and in return I get pieces of their heart which I fix the places where I had torn it at peace. The old man said, and the old man continued, since the pieces of the heart are shared with neither equal or the same shape or size. My heart is full of even edges. My heart is not a shape of a heart like yours, because sometimes I do not get the love in return from those I gave love to. Shocked, the young man stood still, did not speak a word. Tear rolled down his cheek. He walked to the old man, tore the pieces of the heart, and gave the pieces